Have you ever felt stuck? Like you were made for something more, but just couldn't evolve? What if the key to mindset transformation was hidden deep in nature? Among the rarest animals on Earth, in the most remote habitats, nature doesn't just survive, it transforms. And today, so can you. Let's explore the ultimate mindset shifts, inspired by Earth's most resilient, rare creatures. The Arctic fox survives in temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit. How? By adapting its entire lifestyle and appearance with the seasons. It teaches us this: when the environment changes, you must change too. In life, flexibility is power. Adaptation isn't weakness, it's wisdom. You don't have to be the strongest, just the smartest in how you respond. The glass frog is almost completely transparent. Its organs can be seen through its skin. It thrives not by hiding, but by blending into the world authentically. Being vulnerable, being real, is not weakness. In a world of filters and fakes, your transparency is your power. Own your story, even the messy parts. The axolotl never grows up like other amphibians. It keeps its youthful features for life. Scientists call this neoteny, but we call it owning your difference. You don't have to fit in to thrive. The more you embrace your uniqueness, the more you shine. The pangolin, one of the most trafficked but least known creatures on Earth, protects itself not by fighting, but by curling into a ball. Its natural armor keeps it safe. You don't need to be aggressive to be strong. Sometimes protecting your peace is the boldest act of all. Learn to say no. Build boundaries. Stay soft inside, but unbreakable on the surface. The sloth moves slowly, but purposefully. It doesn't rush, because it doesn't need to. It's not lazy, it's intentional. In a world obsessed with speed, the sloth teaches us mindfulness. Move with grace. Rest without guilt. Be present, not just productive. The wild isn't just a place, it's a teacher, a mirror, a reminder that you are part of nature. Inside you is the fox's resilience, the frog's honesty, the axolotl's uniqueness, the pangolin's strength, and the sloth's calm. Transform your mindset. The answers have been in the wild, all along. If this spoke to you, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs a mindset shift, and subscribe to Prime Wild, where nature meets soul. Your transformation begins now.